Hi guys. The simplest way to solve the quadratic equation for the value of x is to factor the quadratic. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each factor. Here are some exercises of how we solve the quadratic equation with factoring into the linear factors. Part 2. Exercise 4. Solve 6x squared plus 4x minus 24 equals 5x squared plus 8x plus 21. Add minus 5x squared minus 8x minus 21 to both sides. Then we have 6x squared plus 4x minus 24 minus 5x squared minus 8x minus 21 equals 0. So, x squared minus 4x minus 45 equals 0. We can write x squared minus 4x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 45 equals 0. By using the binomial formula, I squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b squared, with a equals x and b equals 2. We have this one is equal to x minus 2 squared, and minus 2 squared minus 45 is equal to 49. So, equal to minus 7 squared. Therefore, x minus 2 squared minus 7 squared equals 0. Now, we apply the binomial formula, I squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b, with a equals x minus 2 and b equals 7. So, we have x minus 2 plus 7 times x minus 2 minus 7 equals 0. Or, x plus 5 times x minus 9 equals 0. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each factor. So, the equation has two solutions, minus 5 and 9. The solution set is this one. Exercise 5. Solve x minus 1 equals minus 1 over x minus 3. First, let's find the domain of equation. What is the domain? Domain is the set of all x's for which the equation is defined. So, the denominator cannot be 0. In order to find the domain, we set the denominator equals 0 and solve. X minus 3 equals 0. X equals 3. This means, domain D of equation is all real numbers except 3. Now, we solve the equation. We multiply both sides the equation by x minus 3. Then we have x minus 1 times x minus 3 equals minus 1. X squared minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals minus 1. Therefore, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. By using the binomial formula, I squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b squared, with a equals x and b equals 2. We have x minus 2 squared equals 0. This means x equals 2. We see 2 is an element of the domain of equation. This is okay. So the solution set of the equation is the set of an element 2. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.